Which college is this?
This medical college here.
Which college is this?
This medical college here.
Are you a student?
Yes, first-year student.
Are you a student?
Yes, first-year student.
What do you study?
I study medicine.
What do you study?
I study medicine.
Why study medicine?
To help people.
Why study medicine?
To help people.
Do you like classes?
Yes, classes are interesting.
Do you like classes?
Yes, classes are interesting.
Is anatomy difficult?
Yes, little difficult sometimes.
Is anatomy difficult?
Yes, little difficult sometimes.
Do you attend lectures?
Yes, every day.
Do you attend lectures?
Yes, every day.
Do you take notes?
Yes, during lectures.
Do you take notes?
Yes, during lectures.
Are teachers helpful?
Yes, very helpful always.
Are teachers helpful?
Yes, very helpful always.
Is the library quiet?
Yes, very quiet inside.
Is the library quiet?
Yes, very quiet inside.
Do you read textbooks?
Yes, every evening.
Do you read textbooks?
Yes, every evening.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, learning feels exciting.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, learning feels exciting.
Do you ask questions?
Yes, whenever confused.
Do you ask questions?
Yes, whenever confused.
Do you study alone?
Yes, most days.
Do you study alone?
Yes, most days.
Do you study together?
Yes, with classmates.
Do you study together?
Yes, with classmates.
Are exams difficult?
Yes, quite challenging.
Are exams difficult?
Yes, quite challenging.
Do you practice daily?
Yes, every single day.
Do you practice daily?
Yes, every single day.
Is attendance important?
Yes, very important.
Is attendance important?
Yes, very important.
Do you arrive early?
Yes, before classes.
Do you arrive early?
Yes, before classes.
Are you confident?
Yes, becoming confident.
Are you confident?
Yes, becoming confident.
What subject do you like?
I like anatomy.
What subject do you like?
I like anatomy.
What is physiology?
Study of body.
What is physiology?
Study of body.
What is biochemistry?
Study of chemicals.
What is biochemistry?
Study of chemicals.
Where is your classroom?
Second floor building.
Where is your classroom?
Second floor building.
Where is the library?
Near main entrance.
Where is the library?
Near main entrance.
Where is the laboratory?
Behind college building.
Where is the laboratory?
Behind college building.
Where is the canteen?
Beside student hostel.
Where is the canteen?
Beside student hostel.
Where is the hospital?
Next to campus.
Where is the hospital?
Next to campus.
Who teaches anatomy?
Senior anatomy professor.
Who teaches anatomy?
Senior anatomy professor.
Who teaches physiology?
Experienced physiology lecturer.
Who teaches physiology?
Experienced physiology lecturer.
Who is your mentor?
My academic advisor.
Who is your mentor?
My academic advisor.
Who studies with you?
My close friends.
Who studies with you?
My close friends.
Who helps patients?
Doctors and nurses.
Who helps patients?
Doctors and nurses.
What time are classes?
Classes start 8.
What time are classes?
Classes start 8.
What time is lunch?
Lunch starts 1.
What time is lunch?
Lunch starts 1.
Do you wear uniforms?
Yes, every weekday.
Do you wear uniforms?
Yes, every weekday.
Do you use stethoscopes?
Yes, during practice.
Do you use stethoscopes?
Yes, during practice.
Do you visit wards?
Yes, with teachers.
Do you visit wards?
Yes, with teachers.
Do you respect patients?
Yes, always respectfully.
Do you respect patients?
Yes, always respectfully.
Do you wash hands?
Yes, before examinations.
Do you wash hands?
Yes, before examinations.
Do you wear gloves?
Yes, during procedures.
Do you wear gloves?
Yes, during procedures.
Do you wear masks?
Yes, inside hospital.
Do you wear masks?
Yes, inside hospital.
Do you check patients?
Yes, with supervision.
Do you check patients?
Yes, with supervision.
Do you measure temperature?
Yes, using thermometer.
Do you measure temperature?
Yes, using thermometer.
Do you measure pulse?
Yes, very carefully.
Do you measure pulse?
Yes, very carefully.
Do you measure blood pressure?
Yes, every morning.
Do you measure blood pressure?
Yes, every morning.
Do you carry notebooks?
Yes, every class.
Do you carry notebooks?
Yes, every class.
Do you use computers?
Yes, for research.
Do you use computers?
Yes, for research.
Do you complete assignments?
Yes, before deadlines.
Do you complete assignments?
Yes, before deadlines.
Do you enjoy practicals?
Yes, very much.
Do you enjoy practicals?
Yes, very much.
Can you identify bones?
Yes, most bones.
Can you identify bones?
Yes, most bones.
Can you identify muscles?
Yes, many muscles.
Can you identify muscles?
Yes, many muscles.
Can you identify organs?
Yes, major organs.
Can you identify organs?
Yes, major organs.
Can you give injections?
Not yet learning.
Can you give injections?
Not yet learning.
Can you take history?
Yes, under supervision.
Can you take history?
Yes, under supervision.
Can you communicate clearly?
Yes, with confidence.
Can you communicate clearly?
Yes, with confidence.
Can you handle emergencies?
Still learning gradually.
Can you handle emergencies?
Still learning gradually.
Can you work nights?
Yes, when required.
Can you work nights?
Yes, when required.
Can you stay focused?
Yes, during duties.
Can you stay focused?
Yes, during duties.
Can you help patients?
Yes, with compassion.
Can you help patients?
Yes, with compassion.
Do you enjoy hospital training?
Yes, every clinical session.
Do you enjoy hospital training?
Yes, every clinical session.
Do you attend practical classes?
Yes, every single week.
Do you attend practical classes?
Yes, every single week.
Do you like clinical practice?
Yes, very much indeed.
Do you like clinical practice?
Yes, very much indeed.
Do you practice communication?
Yes, with classmates daily.
Do you practice communication?
Yes, with classmates daily.
Do you study every night?
Yes, before sleeping always.
Do you study every night?
Yes, before sleeping always.
Do you revise lessons?
Yes, every weekend regularly.
Do you revise lessons?
Yes, every weekend regularly.
Do you use medical books?
Yes, every single day.
Do you use medical books?
Yes, every single day.
Do you use online resources?
Yes, for better learning.
Do you use online resources?
Yes, for better learning.
Do you memorize medical terms?
Yes, through daily practice.
Do you memorize medical terms?
Yes, through daily practice.
Do you ask professors?
Yes, whenever necessary, always.
Do you ask professors?
Yes, whenever necessary, always.
Is medicine interesting?
Yes, extremely interesting subject.
Is medicine interesting?
Yes, extremely interesting subject.
Is anatomy your favorite?
Yes, my favorite subject.
Is anatomy your favorite?
Yes, my favorite subject.
Is physiology challenging?
Yes, but very enjoyable.
Is physiology challenging?
Yes, but very enjoyable.
Is pathology difficult?
Yes, requires careful study.
Is pathology difficult?
Yes, requires careful study.
Is pharmacology important?
Yes, for patient treatment.
Is pharmacology important?
Yes, for patient treatment.
Is microbiology fascinating?
Yes, very fascinating subject.
Is microbiology fascinating?
Yes, very fascinating subject.
Is surgery exciting?
Yes, incredibly exciting field.
Is surgery exciting?
Yes, incredibly exciting field.
Is pediatrics rewarding?
Yes, helping children daily.
Is pediatrics rewarding?
Yes, helping children daily.
Is teamwork essential?
Yes, always very essential.
Is teamwork essential?
Yes, always very essential.
Is patient safety important?
Yes, highest priority always.
Is patient safety important?
Yes, highest priority always.
Do doctors work hard?
Yes, every single day.
Do doctors work hard?
Yes, every single day.
Do nurses help patients?
Yes, with great care.
Do nurses help patients?
Yes, with great care.
Do interns learn quickly?
Yes, through daily practice.
Do interns learn quickly?
Yes, through daily practice.
Do patients need care?
Yes, every patient.
Do patients need care?
Yes, every patient.
Do ambulances arrive quickly?
Yes, during emergencies.
Do ambulances arrive quickly?
Yes, during emergencies.
Do surgeons perform operations?
Yes, with precision.
Do surgeons perform operations?
Yes, with precision.
Do pharmacists prepare medicines?
Yes, every working day.
Do pharmacists prepare medicines?
Yes, every working day.
Do laboratories perform tests?
Yes, for diagnosis.
Do laboratories perform tests?
Yes, for diagnosis.
Do hospitals stay open?
Yes, 24 hours.
Do hospitals stay open?
Yes, 24 hours.
Do students wear ID?
Yes, every single day.
Do students wear ID?
Yes, every single day.
What is your ambition?
Become skilled doctor.
What is your ambition?
Become skilled doctor.
What inspires you?
Helping sick people.
What inspires you?
Helping sick people.
What motivates you?
Saving human lives.
What motivates you?
Saving human lives.
What builds confidence?
Daily practice helps.
What builds confidence?
Daily practice helps.
What improves knowledge?
Reading medical books.
What improves knowledge?
Reading medical books.
What helps patients?
Proper medical care.
What helps patients?
Proper medical care.
What prevents infections?
Good hand hygiene.
What prevents infections?
Good hand hygiene.
What strengthens teamwork?
Respect and communication.
What strengthens teamwork?
Respect and communication.
What develops skills?
Regular clinical practice.
What develops skills?
Regular clinical practice.
What makes success?
Hard work wins.
What makes success?
Hard work wins.